Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tank Studio. Today we will learn about Table.RemoveMatchingRows function. It is a very powerful function, especially very efficient when you are working with large data sets. It is equally good with smaller sets of data, but it is very efficient when you work with large sets of data. So, as the name suggests, remove matching rows means you want to delete these 200,000 rows from a dataset of 1 million rows. It is a very difficult task. So, Microsoft engineers came out with remove matching rows function. So, are you excited to learn more? Let's go. Here we have a table by the name of email 1. It has 10 records, 10 rows, and there is another table with email 2. It has 3 rows. Our task is to remove these 3 rows which are in email 2 from email 1, which I have already highlighted here. Let's jump to the Power Query. So here you have email 1, 10 rows, email 2, 3 rows. Let's have another query. I am doing it for the simplicity sake. Name it tb underscore email underscore remove matching rows so that it is easy to understand. Now, the formula here is table dot remove matching rows, not items. Okay, I need to tell Microsoft to remove this. Okay, so it takes two parameters. One is table. So our main table is email 1, from which we want to delete the data which is in email 2. But you need to understand the format. Since, for the simplicity's sake, we are only working with single column tables, but a table can have multiple columns. So, when we have multiple columns, it is treated as record because there is a field name and the value. So, this formula needs another function table.toRecords. We need to convert the data in this since we do not have multiple columns, so this will do the magic. Let's see what happens. Oh, so it's email. My bad. So you see, you get 7 rows here. The 3 which were in email 2 already gone. It's a very efficient function and it's a very detailed function. It is very good when you are working with multiple columns, multiple rows, multiple data. We will learn more about in next class, in next part, because if I tell you in this, it will take 10-15 minutes. And to keep the video short, I always try to keep it under 5 minutes so that it is easier for you to learn. Now, just to close and load. Here you go. You get this 7. Hope you like today's video. Keep on liking, sharing, subscribing, forward.